Hey, if you want to change or add new job position on the LinkedIn mobile application, first you will have to navigate into the left upper corner and click on the View Profile. From here, you will have to click on this icon to edit your profile, and now you can simply scroll down and go into the current position. And if you want to change your position, you have to click right here, so we will be able to add the new one. You can also turn on or off this notification to notify your network. And from here you can set the title, employment type, the company name, location, also the location type, so that's on-site, hybrid or remote. And that's also some stuff like start date, end date, industry, and small description. Also, you can apply skills and media. After you set up everything that you want, you will have to click Save in this place. And then click right here and you will be able to select your new position. So that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.